Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my motto. I'm going to be making you a delicious puff puff. This will be made by using the coconut. I will be using banana. This is going to be a classic puff puff without the yeast, regular yeast that people do use. I will be exchanging the yeast with baking powder. Now, please follow while I guide you through making of this delicious puff puff. This is your classic, delicious, crunchy coconut puff puff. Now let's have a go. Ah, that's so yummy. It's delicious. So delicious. Thank you for watching and thank you for tasting this delicious crunchy coconut puff puff with me.